When input A is positive, uh, the graph actually changes to a negative graph. Wait, let me show you. Negative graph. Okay, so input A becomes positive, becomes a downward graph. And when A is -1, negative number, the graph becomes an upward graph. So that shows that input A actually controls the direction of the graphs. And B squared, for B divided by 2A in this section of the formula, this section actually controls the horizontal positions of the graph. So when B divided by 2A is actually more than 0, the graph actually shifts to the left. So let me show it right here. Negative. Okay. This value becomes a positive number and the graph actually shifts to the left. And when this number, B divided by 2A, becomes a negative number, we'll make it to a negative number. -4, you can see that the graph actually shifts to the right. So that shows that this part of the formula actually controls the horizontal position of the graph from the basic graph. And for C minus B squared divided by 4A, this section of the formula actually controls the vertical position of the graph for the given graph compared to the basic graph. So when this value is negative number, make it to a negative number, the graph actually shifts downwards. Yep, see? The graph shifts downwards. And I'll make it negative again. Yeah, wait. Yeah, it actually shifts downwards. And when this value is actually a positive number, the value actually the graph actually shifts up. So the yep, when this value is positive, graph shifts up. So that shows that this part of the formula actually controls the vertical position of the graph. So for question 5, we have different discriminant values controlling different solutions. So for discriminant values of more than 0, we actually get two solutions because there's two intersection points on the x-axis. Hence, there are actually two real and distinct solutions. And when the discriminant value is 0, we actually get only one intersection point equals to one solution, and hence there's only one real root. And when the discriminant value is negative, it's a negative number, we actually get no solutions because there's no intersection points on the x-axis, hence there are no real root.